Hello students, lesson based assessment material 2025-26, second language English, 4th class. Unit 2 Buildings. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words given in brackets. First one, the rooks are plantings on the trees. Second one, the rooks build nests in every spring. Third one, the rooks labor busily. Fourth one, the nests are round and big. Fifth one, rooks all talk together. Sixth one, long ago in a small far away, there was a place known as the House of Thousand Mirrors. Seventh one, the happy dog was large. Eighth one, the happy dog started wagging his tail as fast as he could. Ninth one, as per the happy dog, the house of mirrors is a wonderful place. 10th one, the happy dog decided to come back and visit the house of mirrors often. 11th one, the happy dog hang his head low. 12th one, as per the unhappy dog, the house of mirrors is a horrible. 13th one, the word growl means making a low sound, usually in anger. Fourteenth one, reading a place is also known as arrival. 15th one, it is one of the things that the rooks need build their nests, slender twig. 16th one, good children always speak by turns. 17th one, the rooks are black, crow like birds. 18th one, a brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Vegetables make us healthy. Onions are usually pink. Potatoes are brown. The word slender means thin. A piece of air or grass is tough. The rooks caw. When I jump, my shadow jumps. Second man, fill in the blanks with correct answers. 26th one, the rooks build their nests on the trees. We use a cooker in kitchen. Nail cutter is used to cut our nails. Gopu bought a kilo of onions from the market. We should live, love, and toil with a smile. The word that rhymes with thing is ring, wing, or sing. The poem The Clock of Life is by Robert H. Smith. Gopu kept a large paper packet with onions in a corner on the floor. Oh dear, where have all the onions gone? These words are said by Gopu's mother. An example of a word with a short vowel is cat. The poem The Rooks consists of 12 lines. A small dry woody piece fallen from a branch is twigged. The paper packet was soon empty. The word pull has a short vowel. The word wheel has a long vowel. Gopu was very tired after coming from the market. The word restore means bring back. It is the act of making a clock work by turning a key or handle winding. Gopu looked for the onions everywhere. Gopu took a sharp knife. The clock may soon be wound. The unhappy dog decided never to visit the house of thousand mirrors. Gopu heard a tinny voice, an example of a word with a long vowel tree. All the faces in the word are mirrors. Third man matched the following. Village reached destination. Happy dog, hard work. House of thousand mirrors. Unhappy dog, horrified. Come back often, wagging happy dog's tail. Fourth man pick out the odd one. 57th one, happy, wagging, growling, smiling, growling. Village, house, mirror, forest, forest. Dog, cat, house, smile, house. Growled, stayed, barked, spoke, spoke. Great, happy, friendly, horrible, horrible. Friendly, horrified, cheerful, warm, horrified. Village, city, town, ocean, ocean. Ears, eyes, paws, wings, wings. Bounce, wag, growl, meow, meow. Smile, frown, wag, laugh, wag. Village, doorway, stairs, forest, forest. Ears, lifted, high, wagged, high. Thousand, great, smiles, growl, growl. Building, laboring, talking, together, singing, singing. Twigs, moss, stones, sticks, stones. Labor, hard work, toil, sleep, sleep. Slender, thin, bony, huge, huge. Rooks, nests, build, dog, dog. Children speak, turns, fly, fly. Winter, spring, slender, rainy, slender. Brinjal, crown, drink, queen, drink. Carrots, juice, potatoes, drink, juice. Rooks, crows, lizard, parrots, lizard. Tomatoes, potatoes, oranges, capsicum, oranges. Reach a place, arrive, depart, come, depart. Fifth main, give one word for the following. It is a house built by the rook's nest. It is how the rooks labor busily. It is thin and used by the rooks to build nests. Twig. It is how the rooks labor by turns. It is when the rooks build their nests, sing, or fly. Rooks cannot do this. Caw. It is how the rooks stalk trees. It is where the rooks build their nests. Caw. Build their 89th one. It is where the rooks build their nests, round plus big. It is a sound made by the rooks' caw. It is the shape and size of the nests, growl. It is a sound made by unhappy dog's house of thousand mirrors. It was a place visited both by happy dog and unhappy dog arrival. It is an act of reaching a place horrified. It is a word used when one is shocked very much slowly. It is how the unhappy dog climbed the stairs. Stair. It is an act of looking for a long time with eyes wide open. Happy dog. It is the dog with smiles. Unhappy dog. It is the dog with the growl. Far away village. It is where the house of thousand mirrors was located by thousand happy dogs. It is where we find the variety of books, library. It is how the happy dog was answered, bounds. It is an act of moving quickly away from a surface, often hitting it. Toil. It is a word which refers to work hard, mass. It is a very small green or yellow plant, crooked. It is not straight curve. Multiple choice questions. What the rooks build on the trees is answer nests. Until when the rook's labor is answer till midday. The way the rook's labor is busily. The shape of the nests of the rooks is round and big. How a crooked stick helps the rooks is to build nests. What the rooks do all together is talk. The author of the poem The Rooks is Jane Euphemia. The sound of the rooks make is caw caw. How a crooked stick helps the rookies to build nests. As long as it is light. The number of mirrors in the house of mirrors was 1,000. The animals that visited the house of mirrors were dogs. How the first dog felt when he went to the house was angry. What the happy dog did with his tail was wagged. How the second dog climbed the stairs was slowly. The moral of the story, The House of Mirrors, is answer. All the faces in the world are mirrors. How the 1,000 dogs responded to the second dog's growl was. Answer, they growled back. What the first dog saw when he looked into the house was. Answer, 1,000 other happy dogs. What the first dog's ears did when he entered the doorway was lifted high. As per the second dog, the house of 1,000 mirrors was a horrible place. The first dog's reaction when he saw 1,000 dogs was anger. The meaning of the word wagging is moving from side to side. We should be like happy. The house of mirrors was in a village which was small and far away. The happy dog decided to come back and visit the house of 1,000 mirrors. Often. Answer is often. Seventh main. Answer in yes or no. Do the rooks build their nests on the trees? Yes. Do the rooks sing while building their nests? No. Do the rooks stop working as soon as it is dark? No. Do the rooks use crooked stick to build their nests? Yes. Are twigs used in the nests of the rooks? Yes. Is moss a material used by the rooks for their nests? Yes. Do the rooks make their nests round and big? Yes. Do the rooks say caw caw in raining weather? Yes. Do the rooks talk by turns? Yes. The house known as the House of Thousand Mirrors? Yes. Is the first day dog see thousand little dogs inside the house? Yes. Did the first dog leave the house feeling happily? Yes. Is the second dog described as unhappy? Yes. Did the second dog climb the stairs slowly? Yes. Did the first dog growl when it saw the dogs in the mirrors? No. Did the second dog find thousand friendly dogs in the house? No. Did the second dog decide to come back to the house of mirrors again? No. Are all the faces in the world mirrors? Yes. Are both dogs in the story of House of Mirrors? Yes. Is caw caw the sound made by rooks? Yes. Did the house have thousand mirrors? Yes. Is the moral of the story the House of Mirrors? Related to everyone's way of talking? Yes. Were there the reflections of dogs in the mirrors? Yes. What does the word horrified mean? Feeling extreme shock or horror? Did the second dog smile or growl? Growl. How did the second dog hang his head? Low. How did the second dog climb the stairs? Answer slowly. What did the first dog decide? To come back and visit the house of mirrors often. How was the first dog answered? By thousand happy dog reflections. How were the smiles of the dog? Answer friendly and warm. What was the first dog wagging? Answer his tail. What did the first dog do with his ears? Answer lifted them high. What do you mean by the word bounce? To move quickly up, down, or back and forth. What was the house known as? The house of thousand mirrors. Where was the house of mirrors located? In a small, faraway village. How do the rooks talk? Answer: all together. What is the shape of the nests of the rooks? Round and big. What kind of sticks do the rooks gather to build nests? Slender twigs and crooked sticks. How do the rooks work? Busily. When do the rooks get up? Early in the morning. Where do the rooks build their nests? On the trees. What do you mean by the word slender? Thin and graceful. What did the second dog see? Thousand growling, unfriendly dogs. What kind of bird is a rook? Answer: a black crow like bird. What did the first dog think about the house of mirrors as he left? He thought it was a wonderful place. What did the second dog think about the house of mirrors as he left? He thought it was a horrible place. Why should we eat vegetables? To stay healthy. Do you like first dog or the second dog? First dog. What is the picture about? Write few sentences about it on your own. Answer. In this picture, the birds feeding their small children in the nest, their children eating. The birds scare their children. All birds have food in their beaks. The birds are looking very beautiful. They are in blue color.